What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be opening this phone case. This is the Fusion X Camo Black case from Ringke. I don't know if it's Ringke or ringke, something like that, but I'm going to call it Ringke. I didn't get this sent to me or anything. I bought it myself from Amazon. They have sent me cases in the past. They sent me a Fusion X case for my Huawei P20 Pro, and I actually really liked it. So when I was looking for a new case, I thought this one looks really cute. It is camo, but it's a bit clear, so you can see the colour of the phone, which I really liked. And then I got this pop socket, which I think might look quite cute with it because it's like black and blue. We'll see how it goes. So, as I said, they have this in clear, and they have the camo pattern, but I picked camo. So this is just what the packaging looks like. And I have the iPhone 13 Pro. So I'll leave a link to it below so you guys can see the prices. Ooh, it's pretty. So yeah, there's a film inside to protect it. Okay, and the phone case itself. So that's what it looks like. So it's quite squishy on the side. Sorry, I've got a thing on my wrist because I messed up my thumb. This is what it looks like. It says Ringke at the bottom. I feel like the one I had before was a bit like harder. This one's quite flexible, quite soft. Let me peel this off. And it does have the line, so I really hope my pop socket sticks to this. As you can see on the sides, it kind of dents in a bit. Let's put it on and see what it looks like. So that is it from the front. You have the slight raised edges to protect your phone a bit more. As you can see on the back, it's raised on the edges, so you're not going to damage your camera. I have a screen protector on, so that is what it looks like from the back. It's so pretty. It looks really nice with the bit of colour coming through. It's actually really pretty. But yeah, it's quite protective. It's still quite soft and lightweight though. Like it doesn't feel like a chunky case. The buttons are really easy to press, and that's why I like this case, and I knew this from when I had them before. The buttons are really easy to press. That's what it looks like from the side. You have a gap here to put a charm or whatever, lanyard, both sides. And then here it says FX, and as you can see, the camera is very protected. You don't have to worry about that. But yeah, no, it looks really nice. I fully love it. Let's see with my pop socket. So that will be what it looks like. It's so cute. Yeah, I really like that. While I'm here, I thought let me show you my other phone cases because I don't have that many. So I thought I might as well throw it in this little video. So the last one I was using was this one. This is Tengen from Demon Slayer Season 2, if you haven't seen it. But I really like this. This is from Redbubble. It's really protective. It's really nice, sturdy case. And then I have this one. This is Kakashi. This is a Rhino Shield one. You can actually pop it out and you can change the plates and change the borders, which is really nice. And I put a ring on it. And then I have this clear one with Kakashi ring as well. The reason I got this one was because I really wanted a case with a pop socket. And if I take this off, it will be unusable. And I didn't want to put a pop socket on him. So I thought this would be really cute. And it is. So yeah, I'm really happy with the case. Obviously, I'll let you know how it goes when I actually use it. So we will see. First impressions, I think it's really nice. It's pretty. I like it with my pop socket. But yeah, that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.